In today's video, viewers will learn how to fix a worn-out screen door, whether it's torn, sagging, or won't slide properly. These common issues are easy to tackle with a few basic tools, and the end result keeps bugs out while letting the breeze in. First, identify what needs fixing. Is the screen mesh torn? Is the door sticking or not sliding smoothly? Or does it look saggy or misaligned? This video covers solutions for all of the above: patching holes, replacing mesh, and adjusting or replacing the rollers. Here's what's needed: a flathead screwdriver, utility knife, screen roller tool, replacement mesh and spline, scissors, and optional patch kit. For track or roller issues, a Phillips screwdriver and replacement wheels may be required. For small tears or holes, a quick fix is using adhesive screen repair tape or clip-on patches. These stick directly to the mesh and restore functionality in seconds. They're great for renters or short-term fixes. For larger damage, it's best to replace the screen. Start by removing the screen door from its track and laying it flat. Pry off the old spline with a flathead screwdriver and remove the damaged mesh. Lay the new screen mesh over the frame, leaving a slight overhang. Use a spline roller tool to press new spline into the channel, securing the mesh in place. Trim the excess screen with a utility knife, keeping the lines neat and flush. If the screen door sticks or drags, check the rollers at the bottom. Some doors have adjustable wheels. Just turn the screw near each roller to raise or lower the door. If the wheels are broken or worn out, remove them and replace with matching hardware. Make sure the door sits evenly in the track. Clean the track of dirt and debris to reduce friction and improve glide. Double-check the handle and lock to ensure everything functions properly. With a fresh screen and smooth rollers, the door should glide easily and keep the outdoors where it belongs. In just a short time, an old, frustrating screen door is back to looking and working like new. Whether it's for a patio, porch, or sunroom, screen repairs are a quick weekend project anyone can do. For more simple home fixes, subscribe and explore the channel. Thanks for watching.